Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So go to Microsoft Teams on your browser and head over to the left sidebar and click on the three dots here. Click on Meet, and next to Meet Now, find the option button, New Meeting. Click on it, and here click on Details to start scheduling your meet. Add your meeting title, Meet 1. Add here your required attendance, your friends or colleagues. Here you can add the date of your meeting, the day of, and year, and the time, for example 12:30 p.m. to, for example 3:30 p.m. 3 hours, and make the reminder, oh let's check this. You can choose if you want to repeat this scheduled meeting or not. So repeat this daily. So this will make the scheduled meet repeat every day, add a channel, and add the location of your meet. Check online meeting if this meeting is online only. And add some details here, and when you're done, click on Save to save your scheduled meeting, and this way you successfully created scheduled meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.